Alright, I'm going to do a quick video here to show y'all kind of how to do this because I've had so many questions about pictures and stuff like that. So it's what I'm going to do. You can see it here on the screen. I'm going to cut out a simple little cutout. It's the Coyote. There's lots of cutouts already on this computer, which is kind of a turnkey thing. So let me show you kind of the machine here. This is the computer where you type everything out, stuff like that. And then here is the machine. And I've had a lot of questions about the plasma cutter, what it'll cut. As far as this one's set up, there's my plasma cutter right over there. You can buy any plasma cutter that you want to cut as thick as you want. It just simply straps on here. And actually the way you're supposed to do it is this goes up in here and then hangs on this to stay out of the way, but I didn't hook all that up just to show a simple video of how it cuts. So here's the rest of the machine. There's a bunch of stuff that's been cut out, and it'll cut a 4x8 sheet is what this sheet here is. So we'll go with that. Let me move this over here. I'm going to do this by hand. Let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this and it moves this over. I'm going to move it back. Move it down, get it situated kind of at the corner of the metal. We'll go with that right there. And just basically come up here and hit go, hit OK, and it does its own thing. I take it back. Let me reverse it here. Alright, see, it went back to the starting point. Is what I forgot to do is turn the torch on right there. So there's 3 different settings to the torch. That's on, the middle's off, and the top one is it stays on all the time. The computer doesn't tell it what to do. So now I have it on. Let's try again. That's all it took right there, about 10-15 seconds. See if we can't pop it out here. Right there. And cut out a Coyote. Take it out here in the sun, look at it, there we go. Coyote howling right there. So that's kind of how the machine works. Alright, let me know if y'all have any other questions. Thank you.